Hello students, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Brijesh Misra and today I am going to start exercise 2.3 from the chapter polynomials. So now see the first question. Divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Students, in this question we have to divide of the algebraic function. Students, you have already studied in class 9th how will we divide. So now see the first part. P of x is given that x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x equal to x square minus 2. Students, px is a dividend and gx is a divisor. So now x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 x square minus 2. So now how many times divide will we go? How will we know? We will take the first term of the divisor and first term of the dividend, and in first term of divisor by what we will multiply, we get equal to x cube. स्टूडेंट्स, डिवाइड कितनी बार जाएगा ये हमें जानने के लिए डिवाइजर के फर्स्ट टर्म में हम देखेंगे कि किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ डिवाइडेंड के बराबर आए, यानी एक्स क्यूब के बराबर आए. तो स्टूडेंट, हियर वी सी एक्स, यानी एक्स का अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करें एक्स स्क्वायर में तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? एक्स क्यूब. तो नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाई एक्स इन द डिवाइजर. वी गेट एक्स क्यूब, एक्स इंटू माइनस टू एक्स. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ध्यान देना है कि लाइक टर्म के नीचे ही हमें लिखना है. अगर एक्स क्यूब है तो एक्स क्यूब के नीचे लिखना है, एक्स का टर्म है तो एक्स के टर्म के नीचे. तो नाउ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट, द साइन विल बी चेंज्ड, दिस विल बी कैंसिल आउट. हियर लेफ्ट माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 2x प्लस 7x and minus 3. And now see again how many times will we go? The students, if we will multiply by 3 in x square, we get equal to minus 3x square. It means minus 3 times will be go. So now multiply by minus 3. So minus 3x square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So now we will write plus 6. And now subtract it, sign will be changed. This will be cancel out. 7x minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So now this is your remainder. So now here quotient equal to x minus 3 and remainder 7x minus 9. So now this is your answer. Now see the second part. P of x is given that and g of x is given that. P of x is a dividend and g of x is a divisor. Now see, in this expression the terms is given that in disorder. So now first of all arrange it. The power of the variable should be in decreasing order. X square minus x plus 1. And now we will divide it. X to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x square minus x plus 1. So now see how many times will we go? X square. And now multiply by x square. We get x to the power 4 x square into minus x cube. So now we see here there are no terms of x cube. So now we will in last x cube. X square into plus 1, so plus x square, so plus x square. And now subtract it, the sign will be changed, this will be cancel out. First of all we will write the highest power of the variable, so plus x cube. So now here we will write plus x cube minus 3x square minus x square minus 4x square, and now we will write here plus 4x. And now see how many times will we go? Plus x. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाई प्लस एक्स, तो एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स. And now subtract it, the sign will be changed, and now this will be cancel out. Minus 4x square plus x square minus 3x square plus 4x and minus x plus 3x, and 5 will be right here plus 5. And now see, divide how many times will we go? So now minus 3, and now multiply by minus 3 in the divisor. Then we get minus 3x square minus minus plus 3x minus 3. The sign will be changed. This will be cancel out. This will be cancel out. And plus 5 plus 3, 8. So now here we get quotient equal to x square plus x minus 3 and remainder equal to 8. So now this is your answer. See the third part, p of x is this and g of x is this. So now see again in the divisor, the given expression is in disorder. So now here we will arrange it. We can write minus x square plus 2, and now divide it. X to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6 minus x square plus 2. So now see how many times divide will we go. If we will multiply by minus x square in the divisor, then we get minus x to the power 4 minus x square into plus 2 minus 2x square. So now see here there are no terms of x square, so we will write here in the last minus 2x square, and now subtract it. The sign will be changed. This will be cancel out. First of all we will write the highest power of the variable plus 2x square minus 5x and plus 6. And now see again how many times will we go. So now here minus 2. So now multiply by minus 2 in the divisor. So we get minus minus plus 2x square minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4. So minus 4. And now subtract it. The sign will be changed. This will be cancel out. Here left minus 5x and plus 10. So now this is your remainder. So now quotient equal to minus x square minus 2 and remainder equal to minus 5x plus 10. So now this is your answer. See the second question. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Students, in this question we have to check it. The first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन में ये कहा जा रहा है कि हमें यहाँ पर चेक करना है कि जो फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल है वह सेकेंड पॉलिनोमियल का एक फैक्टर है. तो नाउ सी द फर्स्ट पार्ट. तो नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट हियर. तो 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 dividing by t square minus 3. So students, now see how many times divide will we go. So now 2t square. So now multiply by 2t square in the divisor. We get 2t to the power 4 minus 6 t square. Now subtract it, the sign will be changed, this will be cancelled out. Now we will write the highest power of the variable 3t to the power 3 minus 2t square plus 6t square. तो minus 2 plus 6 plus 4t square, and now we will write minus 9t. And now see how many times divide will we go. So now see plus 3t. So now multiply by 3t in the divisor. तो 3t cube minus 3 3 is 9t minus 9t. Now the sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out. Plus 4t square minus 9t plus 9t. This will be cancelled out. And now we will write here minus 12. And now see how many times divide will we go. So now see plus 4. Now multiply by 4 in the divisor. 4t square minus 12. So now see this will be cancelled out and the remainder will be 0. The students, when we get the remainder is 0, then we can say the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. स्टूडेंट्स हम डिवाइड करेंगे, अगर हमें रिमाइंडर 0 मिलेगा तो उस केस में हम कहेंगे कि जो फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल है वो सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल का एक फैक्टर है. तो नाउ हियर वी विल राइट सिंस द रिमाइंडर is 0, hence t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Now this is your answer. See the second part. Here is given that the first polynomial x square plus 3x plus 1 and the second polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Now we have to check the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So by the same way, now divide it. So now see how many times divide will we go. So now 3x square. Now multiply by 3x square in the divisor. So 3x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 9x cube plus 3x square into 1 plus 3x square. Now subtract it. The sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out. Plus 5 minus 9 minus 4x cube minus 7 minus 3 minus 10x square plus 2x. And now see how many times divide will we go. So now see minus 4x. So now multiply by minus 4x in the divisor. So minus 4x cube minus 4x into plus 3x minus 12x square minus 4x. Now subtract it. The sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out. Minus 10x square plus 12x square. 2x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 6x and plus 2 we will write here. And now see how many times divide will we go. So now see plus 2. And now multiply by 2 in the divisor. Then we get 2x square plus 6x plus 2. And now subtract it. The sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out. And this will be cancelled out. We get remainder 0. So now since the remainder equal to 0, hence x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So now this is your answer. Now see the third part. X cube minus 3x plus 1, this is the first polynomial, and second polynomial is x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So now similarly we can do it. So now divide it. So now see how many times divide will be go. So now x square. So now multiply by x square in the divisor. We get x to the power 5 minus 3x cube x square into 1 plus x square. And now subtract it. The sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out. Minus 4 plus 3 minus x cube plus x square minus x square. This will be cancelled out. Plus 3x plus 1. Now we will write here. And now see how many times divide will we go. So now see minus 1. So now multiply by minus 1 in the divisor. So we get minus x cube plus 3x minus 1. Now subtract it. The sign will be changed. This will be cancelled out. And this also will be cancelled out. And we get remainder 2. So now here, since the remainder is not equal to 0, hence the first polynomial x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. The students, here we get the remainder is not equal to 0. It means the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So now this is your answer. Now see the question number 3. Obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. So now students, here is given that in this question the polynomial this. So now let p of x equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Students, the two zeros is given that of this polynomial. Now we see in this polynomial the maximum power of the variable is 4. It means the zeros are 4 and the two zeros is given that. So now here, since two zeros are root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3, hence x minus root 5 upon 3 into x plus root 5 upon 3, and now this into this, now multiply this. So this is the in the form of a minus b and this is a plus b. So now the multiplication will be a square minus b square. X square minus root 5 upon 3 whole to the power 2 equal to x square minus 5 upon 3, and now taking the LCM, 3x square minus 5 upon 3. Students, now see here, when the denominator has come as like here, the denominator has come the 3, so now we will remove the 3 and only we will take here 3x square minus 5 is a factor of given polynomial px। स्टूडेंट्स एक बार मैं इसे समझा देता हूँ और now see whenever in the question is given that the zeros, suppose that in any question given that the zeros 2 and the 3, so when the zeros is given that it means this is the value of x, so suppose that the first zeros is 2, it means x equal to 2, so now we will move to this side, so we can say x minus 2. Now similarly this is the zeros, it means this is the value of x, x equal to 3. Now we will move this side to x minus 3. This is the factor. So whenever given that the zeros, it means this is the value of x, and when we will move that value, so it will converted into the factor form. So x minus 2 and x minus 3. So now similarly here we have taken this is the 2 zeros is given that it means this is the value of x equal to this. So now we will move to this side to x minus root 5 upon 3, and the similarly we can write x plus root 5 upon 3. When we will multiply, so now see a minus b, a plus b, so the multiplication of this a square minus b square, x square minus root 5 upon 3 whole to the power 2, and now simplify this x square minus 5 upon 3, taking the LCM, so 3x square minus 5 upon 3. When the denominator has come, now denominator we will remove it. So we get finally 3x square minus 5 is a factor of given polynomial px. And now this expression, yani this polynomial 3x square minus 5 dividing this value in the given polynomial. So now here we will write 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, and now dividing by 3x square minus 5, and now similarly we will divide it. So now see how many times divide will we go. So now x square, so now we will multiply by x square in the divisor, so 3x to the power 4 minus 5x square, so minus 5x square. Now the sign will be changed, this will be cancelled out, 6x cube minus 2x square plus 5x square plus 3x square, and minus 10x we will write here. And now see how many times will we go. So now plus 2x, so now we will multiply by 2x in the divisor, we get 6x cube minus 10x, so minus 10x. So now subtract it, the sign will be changed, this will be cancelled out, and this also cancel out, yani we get 3x square and minus 5 we will write here. And now see finally how many times will we go. So now see plus 1 times will we go, so we get 3x square minus 5, sign will be changed, this will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out, and we get the remainder 0. And now see here using the formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now using this formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now dividend equal to this, yani 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 equal to divisor. So divisor is 3x square minus 5 into quotient x square plus 2x plus 1 and plus remainder 0. So now finally we get 3x square minus 5 in second bracket x square plus 2x plus 1. So now see here we will get the two factors 3x square minus 5 and this. So now from this factor we will get the values of x √5/3 and -√5/3। स्टूडेंट जो कि ये ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है रूट यानी जीरोज, तो नाउ लीव इट एंड ओनली वी विल टेक दिस वैल्यूज, दिस एक्सप्रेशन। तो नाउ x² + 2x + 1। now here we will write hence other two zeros are। तो now factorize it, तो x², तो now we can write at the place of 2x x + 1। तो now taking the common factor x + 1 and from the second pair we will take the common factor 1 x + 1। finally we take the common factor x + 1 x + 1। and now from when we will equal to the 0 x + 1 equal to 0 x + 1 equal to 0, then finally we get the other two zeros equal to -1 -1। so now write here other two zeros are -1 -1। the students, in your question has been asked obtain all other zeros of, and the two zeros already is given that, and the other two zeros is -1 and -1। so now this is your answer। see the question number 4। I am dividing x³ - 3x² + x + 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder where x - 2 and -2x + 4 respectively, find gx। तो students, here is given that this is the polynomial dividend, तो now let px equal to x³ - 3x² + x + 2 and gx we have to find out, this is the divisor and quotient q of x small q of x equal to given that x - 2 and the remainder r of x equal to -2x + 4। तो now dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, we know that the relation between dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder। now put the value, so the dividend equal to x³ - 3x² + x + 2 and divisor g of x we have to find out into quotient x - 2 plus remainder -2x + 4। and now see this value will move to this side, तो x³ - 3x² + x + 2 -2x will move to this side, plus 2x plus 4 will move to this side, -4, and here left g of x into x - 2, and now gx equal to this value will move to this side, and now this expression firstly we will simplify it, तो x³ - 3x² and plus x plus 2x plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 and g of x into x minus 2. So finally we get gx equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2. And now this upon this. So now we will divide x cube माइनस 3x² प्लस 3x minus 2. So now divide it, x minus 2. So now see how many times will we go, x square. So now multiply by x square in the divisor, we get x cube minus 2x square. Sign will be changed, this will be cancel out, minus x square plus 3x. And now see how many times will we go, to minus x times. तो minus x square minus minus plus 2x, sign will be changed, this will be cancel out, plus 3x minus 2x plus x minus 2. And now see, plus 1 times will we go, so we get x minus 2, sign will be changed, this will be cancel out, and we get remainder is 0. So now see, when divided by x minus 2 in this polynomial, we get x square minus x plus 1, and finally we get g of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. So now g of x is divisor, so here the value of gx equal to x square minus x plus 1. So now this is your answer. See the question number 5. Give examples of polynomial px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm. And now here the first part is given that degree of px equal to degree of qx. Px is a dividend and qx is a quotient, gx is a divisor and rx is a remainder. So now see the first part, degree of px equal to degree of qx. Px is a dividend and qx is a quotient. So here we have to give the example, the degree of the dividend is equal to the degree of quotient. यानी जो डिवाइडेंड हमारा होगा उसका डिग्री और कोसेंट का डिग्री दोनों हमारा क्या होना चाहिए, इक्वल होना चाहिए. हमें एक एग्जाम्पल देना है. तो when constant, when divisor is constant, when divisor is constant, then degree of dividend equal to degree of quotient. When divisor gx is constant, then degree of dividend px is equal to degree of quotient. तो स्टूडेंट्स, डिवाइडेंड का डिग्री और कोसेंट का डिग्री तभी इक्वल होगा जब हमारा डिवाइजर क्या हो, कोई कांस्टेंट हो. तो नाउ हियर वी विल टेक द एग्जांपल, डिवाइडेंड p of x equal to 6x square plus 2x plus 2 and the divisor gx we will take the 2. So in this case when we will divide by 2 in this dividend, then we get qx equal to 3x square plus x plus 1 and the remainder rx equal to 0. And now which is satisfy the division algorithm. अब जो हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया या डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम को सेटिस्फाई भी करना चाहिए. तो नाउ वेरीफाई इट बाय द फार्मूला ऑफ डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. तो नाउ डिवाइडेंड 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 2 इक्वल टू डिवाइजर. तो डिवाइजर इज 2 इंटू कोसेंट 3x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 1 एंड प्लस रिमाइंडर 0. तो नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई, तो वी गेट 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 2. तो नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू दिस. तो देख रहे हैं कि हमारा दोनों वैल्यू क्या है, सेम है. तो इट मीन्स दिस इज द सेटिस्फाई द डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. तो विच satisfied डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम। तो स्टूडेंट्स हम कोई भी एग्जांपल यहाँ ले सकते हैं, बट आपका डिवाइजर जो होना चाहिए वो कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए, क्योंकि डिग्री ऑफ पी एक्स और डिग्री ऑफ क्यू एक्स यानी तभी इक्वल होगा जब हमारा डिवाइजर क्या हो, कोई भी कांस्टेंट हो। सी द सेकेंड पार्ट, डिग्री ऑफ क्यू ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू डिग्री ऑफ आर एक्स। तो डिग्री ऑफ कोसेंट इक्वल टू डिग्री ऑफ रिमाइंडर। तो नाउ हियर वी विल टेक द एग्जांपल, द डिवाइडेंड p of x equal to, we will take x cube plus x and the divisor gx equal to x square. In this case, when we will divide by x square, we get the quotient qx equal to x and the remainder rx equal to x. So now see here, the degree of qx and degree of rx is equal. तो नाउ चेकिंग फॉर डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम, चेकिंग फॉर डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम। तो नाउ डिवाइडेंड एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स इक्वल टू डिवाइजर एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू कोसेंट एक्स प्लस रिमाइंडर एक्स। तो नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स। तो नाउ बोथ आर इक्वल। नाउ सी द थर्ड पार्ट, डिग्री ऑफ आर एक्स इक्वल टू 0, यानी जो रिमाइंडर होगा हमारा उसका डिग्री क्या होगा, 0। तो रिमाइंडर का डिग्री 0 तभी होगा जब हमारा रिमाइंडर कोई कांस्टेंट टर्म आए। तो नाउ वी विल टेक द एग्जांपल हियर, डिवाइडेंड p of x equal to x cube plus 1 and divisor g of x equal to x square, then quotient q of x equal to x and the remainder rx equal to 1. So now we see here the remainder equal to 1, yani this is the constant, and we know that the degree of constant is 0. And now checking for डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम। अब हमें यह चेक करना है कि यह डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कि नहीं। तो नाउ डिवाइडेंड एक्स क्यूब प्लस 1 इक्वल टू डिवाइडेंड एक्स क्यूब प्लस 1 इक्वल टू डिवाइजर इंटू कोसेंट प्लस रिमाइंडर, एंड नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दिस एक्स क्यूब प्लस 1। तो नाउ वी सी बोथ आर द इक्वल। तो विच satisfied डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम। तो नाउ दिस इज योर आंसर। तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। और स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा तो हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के ज़रूर बताएं। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।